when this child was born, you welcome him with great joy as a new brother. With great joy also, you bring him to the church to make the child of God special for him. Because in baptism, God will bestow His own life on His child. And we congratulate you, welcome the child into the life of
For me, honey, don't wait.
Austin, this is Guama here. Always remember to listen to your parents. Whatever struggle that you have been through, always yung parents mo ang lagi mong kausap because they are the best teachers. They are the best advisors. And they will always guide you hanggang sa pagtanda.
As we grow, I'll keep running till I can no more.
1-year-old ka na. Thank you kasi binigay ka ni Jesus sa amin. Blessing ka talaga sa amin. And ayun, thank you kasi lagi mo kami pinapasaya. Kahit minsan mahirap, pero masaya pa rin. Lagi ka nakasmile. Basta susuportahan ka namin ni Mama and Papa. Kahit ano man mangyari, kahit mahirap, gagawin namin yung best namin na mag-provide sa'yo yung pangangailangan mo. And kasiyahan. I love you.
Si Austin, yung mga bisita or friends or family na nakakita, lagi kasing smiling face talaga. Pagkabangon ng pagkabangon, uupo, ngingiti agad yan, tatawa. Yung nga, nung dumating siya, naging happy kami and naging complete. And everyday, kahit na nasa probinsya ako, pinipilit ko talaga laging umuwi para lang makasama and makita si Austin.
Panglimang apo si Austin para sa amin. So we have the same feeling mula noon sa unang apo hanggang kung sa bagong apo. We have so much excitement na makita siya. Sa nakikita ko, mabait na bata siya. Para siyang very independent and very confident na bata.
Serious face, you look so solemn, and things don't look so bad from here.
Ang wish ko lang, sana, syempre, Austin, lumaki kang mabait and always na makikinig ka kay Mama and Papa. And of course, yung health mo, sana lumaki kang healthy and mabait and maging successful in the future.
Austin, happy first birthday. More birthday to come. Love you.
Austin, happy birthday. It's your first birthday. Sana sa future makita mo to and maalala mo yung ginawa and pinaghandaan ni Papa and Mama. So, happy birthday again, Austin. I love you.
Austin, how time flies so fast. Happy first birthday. And me and Guakong and the rest of your uncles and aunties always love you so much.
Nothing can stop you now. Things can only go up from here. Can only go up. And you
Always lang listen kay Mama and Papa. Nandito naman kami palagi for you. So, supportahan ka namin sa lahat. Ayun, happy birthday!